There's been a pretty large boom in content creation centered around the latest and greatest AI tools. I mean, I can't even open up my TikTok without seeing something like this.
Would you believe me if I told you that this influencer isn't even real?
Yes, actually. That kind of looks like shit.
What you're looking at right now is my AI influencer, Kate, promoting my protein powder.
And now I'm being sold to. Let me guess. She has an AI content accelerator course that she sells for $200. Oh shit. She must have a PhD in marketing or computer science.
No.
It seems like talking about AI has become some sort of get-rich scheme. Ooh. I do have a serious question. If you saw content that either A, only talks about AI tools, or B, is made entirely with AI, or God forbid both,
the craziest AI side hustle to start in 2025.
would you actually consider subscribing to this? Well, some of you, for some reason,
What the hell,
might say yes. The reality of the matter is that all these people are hopping on these trends whether they're qualified to talk about the topic or not. Now, I want to ask you something. When you put a bunch of uneducated people in a room to talk about things they don't really understand, what do you get? Well, you get people talking out of their ass, people saying what the last person said because, let's be honest, they don't have any thoughts of their own, and everyone just trying to talk over each other. Or in this case, everyone just posts as fast as they can whenever a new tool comes out. Oh my God, a new tool just dropped. Babe, I finally have a content idea.
He tried it.
Yes, you down there with your hand up. Hey, get this man a mic. Get this man a mic. Thank you, sir. Weren't you one of those people? All right, somebody get this man out of here. Jokes aside, yes, I did make a mistake. Or 10. But I'm sorry, I'm begging for a second chance. After doing some thinking, I felt like the old content I used to make is not as valuable as what I could make. I just feel like this style of content scratches a better itch, but you might disagree. Now, this niche is not the only one that suffers from this. It's just compounded by the fact that AI is advancing so fast, and by the time you upload something about an AI tool, it becomes obsolete the very next week or even day. The video that showed up in my feed is 16 videos old. And it wouldn't be a problem if she was posting 5 times a day, but she's not. This was 2 months ago. God, there's probably 5 more AI tools that do this even better now. Pause. That's exactly what they want you to think now, isn't it? Yes, there's always gonna be that new AI tool that you probably haven't heard of, but let's be honest, will they be revolutionary? Probably not. Whoa! Where am I? Jacob. Who are you? I'm you 5 months from now. You can't release this video. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you're someone that wants to build a brand? Question mark. Or maybe you just want to play with the tools and have fun. Well, it's expensive to do that, but have it your way, I guess. Whatever you're into them for, yes, at face value, they're pretty freaking cool, but anything you generate with them lacks life. What I mean by life is the subtle imperfections that make something unique. AI just knows the textbook definitions of what things are, and when it comes to creating content, it's very cookie cutter and vanilla. If you're someone like me, you like that weird, freaky stuff. AI is simply just not equipped to be artistic and original. The models we have today can generate some pretty interesting videos, but you can tell it's fake. Like, come on. And this is the best model we have right now. This is Flux Pro. The result of all these crazy AI models is this plague of AI hype. There are literally thousands of creators on YouTube alone just trying to farm content and game the system. And I can tell you exactly how to do it too. First thing you want to do, get vidIQ, see if you can find those trending video topics to talk about. The next step is to recreate the video, copying the thumbnail and title, and just tweak it a little bit to maximize optimization, because you know, life of an artist. Then you post it and optimize SEO and pray to God somebody keyword searches it. It's mind-boggling to me how similar some of these videos are. And it's also mind-boggling to me how similar some of these videos are coming from the same account. It's also mind-boggling to me how temporary each one is. It doesn't even have to be a new tool. It can be an update of a tool and someone's covering it. Holy shit, there's a new integration. Gotta use Klein. Gotta use Woo Klein. Oh my God, cursor's back. Oh my god, DeepSeek R1. Holy shit, ChatGPT 03, kind of crazy. Oh my god, how to run it locally. The reason I asked if you would follow content like this is because I simply would not. Other than simply for the sheer fact that I want to stay up to date with the latest tools. But if this person's account were to disappear tomorrow or TikTok gets banned, would you go out of your way to find them on a different platform? No, because you don't like the person behind the account, you like the information it gives you. But I thought you said the information they post is obsolete the next day. Oh. This explains my change in video style. These commentary style videos actually allow you to have more educational value. And you get to see my personality. You've probably learned more about me in this one video than my past 10. Think about that. In case you missed it, here are the big points. He's a human with personality. He is rather handsome, some. But back off, ladies. He has a girl. He is musically inclined. Play us something, white boy. But because every white boy is musically inclined, he no longer has a personality. He's moderately into fashion. Huh? Come on. The fit is hard. And he has the most wild receding hairline. And that's just to name a few. If you like me as an individual, I'll be here. Don't worry. I'll keep my previous videos up for now because I do think they provide value to somebody, but if they're gone in the future, you know why. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Please. I'm practically rewriting my entire algorithm at this point, so any little bit helps. If you thought I was so cool that you want to hop in a VC with me, join my Discord. I would love to see you there. You guys are so awesome. Thank you for watching. See you next time.